In our today's topic, we are going to look at conversion from base 10 to other base under number system. We have an example already written that we are going to lay our hands on. Then after solving the example, I will give you one class work which you are going to solve for me and drop the answer in the comment section for verification. Now, let's proceed with the normal class. We have example 1, convert 67 in base 10 to base 2. Let's write solution. Now, what we are going to do, if we look at this question, we have to convert from base 10 to base 2. To solve this, there is a particular method we normally use. It is called repeated division, and at the end of the day, all our results of the remainders will be taken from the bottom to the top. Let's look at how to do this. Remember, this is being done by repeated division. So to solve it, let's first have a line rule like this. Then this number that we are converting from base 10 to base 2, put it here. That number is 67. Then the base to which you are converting that number from base 10 to, you are going to put the base here. Should in case it is not base 2, any base that you are giving should be placed here. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to have a rough work done this side. Let's have it here, rough work. Now what we are going to do, if I want to do it without using repeated division, I can still do it. How am I going to do it? You look at 67. How many 10 are we going to see from 67? We are going to see 6. Let's look at how many 2 are we going to see from 10. We are going to see 5. That means that 5 will be multiplied by the number of 10 that we have from that 67. Remember, that one is 6. If number of 2 that can goes in 10 is 5, that means we have 5 times 6. That's 30. The remainder of 7 that we are having here, how many times with 2 goes in that 7? We have 3. 3 plus that 30, that's 33. Then we are left with 1. Meaning here should be 33, then remainder 1. Now let's use another method to clarify that statement. Let's use the earlier said method, that is the repeated division. So we are going to have this. Then the number we are converting, 67, will be placed under the division, which is divided. Then the base will be placed here as a divisor, while whatever we get here will be the quotient, and the remainder will also be we derived. Now let's look at it. We have 67 here, right? 67. How many times with 2 goes in 67? We have 33 times. Now 2 times 33, you are going to have 66. If you minus this, you are going to have 1. This is your remainder. Now this your 33 is here now, and your remainder is is here. Now you can, from this now, you can still see that 2 can still goes in 33. Now what you are going to do now is just to still apply the same long division again. That was why we call it a repeated division method. Will be used to solve this. Now we have 33 placed here, then the same base to which we are converting the number to. Now how many times will 2 goes in in 33? We have 16 times. Are you getting my point? Now 16 times. If you multiply 2 times 16, you are going to have 32. Then minus, you are going to have 1. Now you have this quotient written here to be 16. Then the remainder here is 1. Now you can still see that 2 can still goes in 16. Then you put 2 again, you have your You have your 16 here, then 2. Now here, how many times with 2 goes in this one? you are going in 16 rather, you are going to have what? 8. 8 times 2 times 8, you have what? 16. If you minus it, you are going to get 0. That means this one will be placed here 8, then the remainder is what? Is 0. Now if you look at this word, 2 can still goes in 8. You have your what? 2 goes in 8. You are going to have what? 4. Remember, this is going to still be what? Is 0. Remainder of what? Is 0. 2 can still goes in 4. You have 4, 2. If you divide, you are going to have what? 2. Then you still have remainder of what? Is 0. 2 can still goes in 2. You have what? 1. Remainder of what? Is 0. Then 2 in 1 is 0. Then you have your what? 1 here. Are you getting my point? Now this, you are going to start your arrow from here down up. That means your answer is going to be 67 in base 10 is going to be what? You start from here, from the bottom to the top. Now this is the bottom. We have what? 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 in what? In base 2. Now that's the answer, the conversion of 67 in base 10 to what? Base 2. So let's have the assignment. You do it and put the answer in the comment for verification. Now we have just convert 89 in base 10 to what? To base 2. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all.